Hey guys, for today's video, I'm going to show you two French braid side braids that are going to be perfect for fall. I just love a good side braid with a sweater. It just feels complete to me. So let's go ahead and get started. So for the first braid, we are doing a French braid. So divide your hair into 3 equal sections. You're going to take that front section, cross it over your middle section, take the back section, cross it over your middle section. So just a regular braid to start out with. Now we're going to take that front section, we're going to hold on to it, and we're going to pick up a section of hair right next to it, add it into that front section, and then once those are combined, you cross that section over the middle section. Now repeat with the back section, hold on to that section, pick up a section of hair right next to it, combine the two, and then take that back section, cross it over the middle section. And then we just keep repeating. So grab a section of hair right next to the front section, combine it, cross it over that middle section. Take the back section of hair, grab a section of hair right next to it, combine it, cross it over that middle section. And one more time, take that front section, add in a section of hair right next to it, combine it, and then cross that section over the middle. Take the back section, pick up a hair next to it, combine it, cross it over the middle. And then you do this all the way down. Make sure you're smoothing out your strands before you cross them. Make sure you're doing it nice and tight. You don't want to do it too tight, but you don't want to do it too loose. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So just do this all the way down. So once you've added in all your hair, which I try to add in all my hair by the time I reach the bottom of my ear, you just finish it off into a regular 3-strand braid and tie it off. Now I'm just pinching and pulling on my French braid to make it look nice and big and thick. This is my favorite part of braids, just making it look so much thicker than what my actual hair is. If you feel like you've pulled too much, you can always stick bobby pins in and make it feel a lot more secure. I love a good side braid for fall, especially with like chunky sweaters or cardigans. It's a fall hairstyle in my opinion, and you definitely need to try this one. So the next hairstyle, it's a French braid, but it's angled differently and it looks so stinking cool. So grab a section of hair from your back, and then you're going to divide it into 3 strands, cross the front section over the middle, the back section over the middle. We're just repeating the first braid, it's just angled differently. So we're just going to pick up a section of hair right next to that front section, add it in, cross it over that middle section. And then do the same thing with the back section, pick up a section of hair right next to it, add it in, combine it, cross that section over the middle. And you just want to make sure you're grabbing hair right next to those strands, just kind of working your way up, and for the back section, working your way back. So add in a section of hair, combine it, cross it over that middle section. Do the same thing with the back, add in a section of hair right next to it, combine it, cross it over that middle section. And just keep doing this until you run out of hair. Once you've added in all your hair, just finish off into a regular 3-strand braid, tying it with a hair tie, pulling out hair in the front, and just wait, you guys, till I turn my head. It looks like a normal braid from the front, and then look at this. Look how cool and beautiful that looks. This is my new favorite, not gonna lie, my new favorite way to do a French braid. If you try this, let me know. I hope you guys love it. I just think it's so cool. That's it. That is the video. Let me know if you'll be trying these braids. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below, 1 or 2. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah! Bye.